What up? Long time no see, ladies and gents. I'm obviously back in New York, as you guys see if you follow me on Instagram. Today, as you see in the title, this is not clickbait. I am selling both of my Kei cars. I want one of them to be sold, but I figured let me just make a short and sweet video as if I'm talking to the seller. I want you guys to feel like you're right here and we're having a conversation about the Wagon-R and the Bravo. So I don't really want 3 cars, as you guys know. I always have this debate. I had this debate with the Jimny. I had this debate with every car. Really, I don't need 3 cars. It's just hard for me to let go of the Bravo because as much as I love the Wagon-R and I think it's one of the coolest Kei cars I've ever had, it's just not the Bravo. You know what I mean? It's just not the Bravo. But anyways, I'm gonna get short and sweet. We're gonna get straight into it. I am selling my 1993 Mitsubishi Bravo. Comes with a New York title. It has, let me go over the amenities and stuff like that. I mean, if you guys follow me, you definitely have seen all the stuff, but this one has 61,454 kilometers. It is full-time 4-wheel drive, 5-speed, has AC, very rare power windows in a Kei van, which is pretty cool. Has central locks, again, very cool. These are how the seats look. I'm about to put my bike back here, so I want to do this, but I'll put them back just so you guys can see that they're in good condition. The headrests are right here, so don't worry about that. But look, nice and clean. 3 armrests too, again, pretty rare in Kei van. Some of them usually just have them on the sides, but this one has 3. Power windows in the rear, again, very cool. That window goes completely down. Let me show you guys that. It's 5-speed, like I mentioned. This one comes with Apple or Android CarPlay. I put that screen there. The windows obviously all work. This one is 1 click. But yeah, let me put this window all the way down so you guys can see. You just pull that. Sick. What else can I tell you guys? Very clean headliner. I mean, I don't really want to make this video because I don't know. I want this to be gone. The price, by the way, is $12,000. Not very negotiable at all, if I'm going to be 100% honest with you. If you want to negotiate, I'll take off the wheels. You bring your own wheels. I don't even know what else. I'll take out the CarPlay too if you want me to do that. But it's $12,000 firm, like as firm as firm goes, basically. But everything works. It drives perfectly fine. Fog lights, lock and unlock tailgate, rear wiper. I'll put the lights on right now so you guys can see. Everything is perfect on the car, right? I don't even want to sell it, but anyways, everything's perfect on this car. The reason I want to sell one of my Kei cars, though, besides the fact that I can't afford to have 3, is that I want to, all jokes aside, buy a Honda Moto Compo. Like, for real, like, I'm not joking. I want to buy one. I would love to win one on the All Things ADM raffle. If you're watching, enter that raffle. I bought a slot too. But I want to go to Japan in June when it opens up, and I want to buy a Moto Compo, and I think it'd be sick to take out Moto Compo and put like WayBeforeTheFame there. In a perfect world, I would put it in the back of my Bravo. Let's open this trunk really quickly so you guys can see. It comes with a backup camera thing too, which is cool. But let's unlock the gate. Head over here. I feel like I'm just talking to one of you guys right here. So if you're looking for like cool cinematic stuff, it's not gonna happen. But I already have these little tie down hooks here that came on the Bravo, which is really cool. So I'm just imagining like my Moto Combo right here. It says WayBeforeTheFame. I'm going to car shows. People are looking at it, blah, blah, blah. Very cool, right? Also, back to the Bravo. Brand new rear speakers, brand new front speakers. Sound deadening all here. From like here all the way to the top, like the front. Like sound deadening all here, as you guys can see. Look, right there. Has a little roller coaster bar. But anyways, yeah, I want to buy a Moto Compo. And I want to put it back here. I want to put it in the back of one of my Kei cars. So this one or that one or whatever car I have at the time. This car I feel like is the WayBeforeTheFame mobile. So in a way it's like, I don't want to sell it. But this one I knew I could get $12,000 for. Like, to me, that's not a lot of money. Like for what this car is, and like it's kind of famous. But yeah, $12,000 for this guy. I don't know what else to show you guys. I mean, I could pop the hood. I could start it and stuff like that. You guys obviously know it works though. I mean, if you're first time watching my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to get to 3,000 subscribers 100% before July. I think that's actually no, that's gonna happen. I need to have a bigger goal, but pop this back. The AC is R12, which I would say is a flaw. I recharged it last summer. I'll probably do it again this summer again. I just bought them on eBay. It wasn't that hard. I did 5 oil changes. I bought it with 43,000 kilometers. and I did like 5 or 6 oil changes. I do oil changes mainly based on trips, if that makes sense. So like I don't care about how many miles I drove. Like when I went to Maryland, I did a oil change. When I went to Boston, I did an oil change. If this van doesn't sell soon, I will be driving somewhere else, and I'm gonna do an oil change before that, just because like I'd just rather have fresh oil. It's $25. Like it's not hard, and it's not like, it's just right. It's just super easy to do basically. But added some of this because it does get noisy and hot. Once I added sound deadening right here, and then the heat ventilation thing hasn't had any issues. Doesn't get hot. I've driven this car in the summer for hours, nothing. Pop the other side too so you guys can see. Comes with that. Oh, let me connect my phone for the people who have Apple or whatever. Boom, connected right away. Pretty clean too, I would say. Let me talk about some imperfections. Imperfections wise, you can't even tell. You've probably watched all my videos, but there's a huge little dent right there, and then there's another one right there. Those are the big, oh, there's a little like rust spots there. What are some more imperfections? Obviously like little stuff like that from the bumper. Oh, there's a scratch on one of these sides. Oh, I don't even know where it's. Oh, there's another little rust bubble right there. On this side it's all pretty clean though. Oh, right here, I think somebody hit me. The car is also super dirty. I didn't really plan to make this video, but the car's super dirty. It's very clean when it's clean. The roof luckily has no sun fade. I'm just assuming this car, I mean, not even assuming, this car obviously was really taken care of, because you can tell from the interior and everything, like everything is super minty. Under the car is super minty. Both these doors open too. That was actually one of my problems I had with the van. I had to take off the door card, but I finally fixed it. They slide perfectly. I added some grease there too, and on the wheels, this side as well. Opens perfectly. That was a very annoying thing that I had for a while. I love that this video is really just me talking. I hope you guys enjoy it, but it's really just me talking like if you were literally here. But let me pop this side of the hood and I'll start. I'm about to actually drive it right now. So here it comes with power steering. It is a 3-cylinder dual overhead cam, 5 valve per cylinder. So red line's at 9,000. Windshield washer works, coolant, everything. I did not change the timing belt. I've never done that. I've never changed the water pump obviously either. I've put brand new spark plugs and a bunch of oil changes. That's pretty much it. I haven't really done like the heavy maintenance. I never changed the clutch and stuff like that. Clutch still feels good. I probably would change the belt if I keep it maybe at like 70,000. I opened the timing belt cover to see what they look like, and they look brand new. I don't know who had this car in Japan, but they look brand new. Let me put this down though. Unlike the Actis and the Suzukis, this one doesn't fold completely flat, so it gives you like, probably lose like a foot of space. So that's how far it goes. And then like I mentioned, sound deadening all around. Cab is nice and quiet. Let me close this. Let me start her up. Actually, wait, no, let's go to the Wagon-R first, because I actually need to leave very soon. But Wagon-R comes with Maryland title. This one is kind of hard to give a price on because I'm not ready to sell it. I know that this one probably will sell quicker just because it's cheaper. Like I'm thinking of, for this car, it's just hard to really give a price because I want to wrap it. I really want to wrap it. I want to learn how to wrap it, and I feel like this is a perfect car to like practice on. But I guess if I had to give a price, I don't even know. I guess like 6,000. I'd negotiate heavy down if I get to keep the wheels, because I know I'm never going to find cool wheels like that again. So if you have your own, or I could even put the stock ones back on actually. I'd probably go down like maybe 500 bucks or something like that. But again, pretty firm on the 6 because I want to wrap it, and I'd probably sell it for 6 still if I wrap it. So maybe a little less. I don't know. Message me on this one. This one is kind of like, eh. I just got it, so I'm not super emotionally attached to it, but I am emotionally attached to it because I feel like I'd sell it before I ever got to like do everything to it. You know what I mean? Like I still have parts coming from freaking the 500 yen shop that I haven't even got here yet. So I guess message me on this. But yeah, same 3-cylinder 660cc. The paint, as you can see, pretty sun faded here and here. The sides aren't too bad though. Not too bad at all. Let me unlock this guy. The interior is minty. This one even has less kilometers. This one only has 42,000 kilometers. It's automatic. Comes with power windows too, which is very cool. Steering wheel, everything is super neat. Back seats are neat. Tow bag's coming very soon of the good old Bravo. Ta-da. Manual windows back here. These seats fold all the way flat. There's some storage right here. They go this way as well and fold flat. I'll do that in a second. If you don't know about the Suzuki Wagon-R, you have this little grocery basket here. Very cool. I put a new radio in here, so you have Bluetooth. Same stock speakers, but they actually sound really good. Headliners very clean. Seats are very clean. Power windows and everything work. I guess I'll pop the hood real quick so you guys can see. What did I do on this maintenance wise? I think Josh changed the spark plugs and did an oil change. That's about it. I mean, I got this car like less than 2 months ago. I think it definitely needs a new battery. It doesn't need a new battery, but I would like when I keep this car, I'm going to buy a new battery, mostly because I want to put some fog lights on here too, and I don't want to just drain that one. But I definitely think it needs a battery. It doesn't need an alternator because I took the terminal off and the car stayed on, but I would say it needs a new, I would buy a new battery. I wouldn't say need. It starts right up. But here's everything over here. Front wheel drive, 660cc like I mentioned. Has a little dent right there. Imperfection wise, kind of just a clear coat. Back here, again the clear coat. I put an exhaust on here, which is very sick. MPG wise, bro, people love to talk about cars getting 40, 50, 60 MPG. This car actually gets like 30 miles per gallon, which is very good. It doesn't get 50 like everybody loves to claim on K trucks, but this one being an automatic, it definitely gets really good MPG. Here is the passenger side. There's also a little storage thingy under here. This guy, again, pretty cool. I'll put that in later. I just put this right here right now. What else could I show you guys on this? Oh, it comes with an ETC reader. Beautiful ETC reader down there. Let's start this car up so you guys can hear it. Well, I'm at 12 minutes right now. Hope you guys are enjoying this little TED talk we're having. What, ETC reader? Come on. And now we'll start her up. You'll see that it doesn't really need a battery. Like, look. It starts right up. I just feel like sometimes when you have the lights on, you see? And then the high beams and like the windows. Well, it's not doing it now. But anyways, I personally, as a car person, would buy a new battery. They're like $40. Get a lawnmower battery. Or you could even get like the Honda ones if you want to do it the super cool way. But starts up fine. Nice little exhaust note. Fills up with like $25. This one is really good on gas. I'm excited for this build, so we'll see what happens. Based off this video, maybe somebody will buy this. Maybe I personally, it's like a bittersweet moment. I want someone to buy the Bravo just because I would get more money, which would allow me to buy the Honda Moto Compo and just do more things for the channel. Pay for the wrap, but not like just the wrap materials for this car. Just do a bunch of fun stuff. Like if I sell this car, it'll basically be enough money I would need to save just for the Moto Compo. Moto Compos are like 5 G's, so I wouldn't really be able to do much, but it's still better than having 3 cars. I can't have 3 cars right now, but idle's perfectly fine. I just drove this car yesterday. I was driving it all over the place. This one is good. Oh, I could do the windows too so you guys can see. One click. Put that up. Again, one click. Love me some good power windows in a K car. No lights or nothing on. Should I fold those seats back? Nah, you guys get the point. Message me if you have any more questions. The cars are located in Jamaica, New York, via the seats. They go that way, obviously, and go completely flat. Back here, there's a spare. I have some good water. Make sure the guys drink your water. Down here is clean. The car is super clean. Oh, I didn't even realize this light worked. Wow. What else? That's kind of it. I replaced the tail light. Shout out to Josh. He got me one of those. Brand new tires on here. That's why I kind of really don't want to get rid of the rims. But here's how it looks on this side. You could kind of see, like, I don't even know, some paint imperfections there. I have sequential lights coming from the 500 yen shop for this. I have a pamphlet coming from the 500 yen shop. I have the light that goes up there coming from the 500 yen shop. But yeah, I want like 6, maybe even 6.5. I don't know. This one is kind of hard. I really just want to sell this for 12. Like this for 12. I really feel like I should be asking for 13 and then work my way down. If you guys have been seeing like K trucks, people are asking for like 12,000 for K trucks. This is a K van that is full-time 4-wheel drive, has basically every amenity you could ever want. Like it has freaking even tilt steering wheel. Like look at this. Like come on, this thing has every option and then some. But I'm probably gonna end this video here. I gotta go to the stew right now. I'm gonna edit this today. You're watching this on Thursday. I'm gonna post this today. It should be a pretty quick upload because I'm just talking to one of the homies right now. But catch you guys on the next one. A bunch of fun stuff coming soon, regardless if I sell these cars though. But a bunch of fun stuff coming soon. I'm going to HV&Y tomorrow. Let me start this guy up since I didn't do that. All the lights work. Starts right up. But yeah, I'm going to HV&Y Imports tomorrow. We're gonna start that raffle. I was thinking of maybe even throwing the Wagon R in the raffle because people love variety and stuff. But I don't know. I don't really want to do that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. One of these cars are going to be sold very soon. I could raffle them too. I know a lot of people are going to comment to just raffle this or that. That's why when I say like price is firm, is that like I'm blessed to have the opportunity to, like, if nobody wants to buy this for 6,000, I can do 100 slots for $60 and still like get my money's worth, and somebody gets to win and it'll be like a super feel good story. But I'm trying to just see if anybody wants it first. If not, maybe that'll be my option. I'll raffle this or that, or maybe both, and let the winner choose and get some cash. But like I said, catch you guys on the next one. A bunch of fun stuff coming soon, and raffle will be starting probably tomorrow and Friday, honestly. But peace out.